Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of the Vault Zero to Hero series. In previous video, we discussed what is Vault, why secret management is important, why the Vault is useful beyond the cloud provider services, which is like AWS or AWS KMS or GCP KMS. Vault provides us centralized secret management and multi-cloud support, as well like encryption capabilities with the dynamic secret generation at runtime. So now let's get started on today's discussion. Now we will install Vault on our local machine. First, we will go through the official HashiCorp Vault documentation. Yeah, let me share this. So yeah, here just we will go to the Google and search for Vault install. Yeah, here it is. The first one is Vault install button. Here we will yeah, we are onto the official documentation. Here you can see the multiple install packages. So I'm using Windows. So I'll directly jump to the Windows and then here I'll download the binary packages. So my system with 386, so I'll go with this. So while it is downloading, so just wait for a second. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now we will extract this. I hope this file got extracted. Just give me a second. Hmm, Yeah, so now Voltes, we have extracted that. So we will do the command prompt by prompting here. So we can just check vault hyphen hyphen version. Yeah, it is taking some more time. Yeah, here it is. Now we have to check whether this vault version can we able to check globally into the system or not. If I did vault version by opening the new terminal, so it is throwing an error. So to fix this, we have to edit our environment variables to access this vault in global system. Here enter this, yeah. So I am in the environment variable. So here I'm hitting on the path button. So path, here I was going to this by hitting the edit option. Here I'm inserting the new field. So I'm copying the path of this file where the vault exe file yeah, where the vault exe file listed, and I'm going to maybe this is not there, so I'm again reopening it. I lost somewhere else. Yeah, so once here we are on the system properties, so here I'm hitting the environment variables. Here I'm hitting on the path and then choosing the option edit, and there I was inserting the new value. So this is where exactly the vault.exe file exists. So just hitting with the back and then by OK button. So After updating this environment variable, we have to close our terminal and again reopen this. Without that, it won't reflect on the command prompt. So just want to re-verify that whether it is working properly or not. Just we were doing Vault version. Here it is. Yeah, now we can able to see the Vault version, what exactly we have installed. If you want to verify, we can verify here as well. The version of the Vault is 2.0.0. You can see here it as Vault v 2.0.0. Now, the motive is the installation has done and we can able to do this in our system, and we have edited our environment variable as well. So we can do follow the Mac OS installation by following these steps, and then for the Linux, so on. So for us, which is for the Windows environment, we were going with this. Now we'll start Vault in dev mode. Actually, Vault support multiple deployment methods. So for learning purpose, dev mode is the easiest way because it has the quick setup and local testing, and which is beginner friendly. If yeah, because whenever we were performing any operations through the UI or through the CLI of the Vault, we can able to see the logs on runtime. So which will helps more to debug, to do the testings, like which can be easily find out the issues on each step. We will do that. So firstly, I'll run the Vault server on dev mode. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, Vault is running in dev mode. Yeah, it has used some path for the memory storage, and then it exposed the API addresses and cluster address. As you can see here, yeah, here. As you can see here, it used like it exposed the Vault address, which is the API, and then the Vault address of like there are two different commands which is used for the PowerShell as well as the command prompt. And then it is given us unsealed key, which is used to whenever the vault is sealed, we have to use this key to unseal this. In nature, vault has the capability whenever we are deploying that into the production model. Under the production model, it will be in the sealed state, so we have to unseal manually. So like that is the different case which we can discuss later classes. So here we will just focus on what exactly we were looking for. Yeah, then installation done, and we ran this Vault as a dev server. Now we were using this root token to log in the server. So I'll open here one more command prompt. Just I'll pull it out. Yeah, yeah. Here I will perform Vault login. So it is showing me this warning vault address, and vault address is unset, defaulting to this. In general, we have to, whenever we were running this vault commands through the CLI, we first export or set the vault address. As you can see here, it is given like vault set address. So I'm just copying this and to the different command prompt. I was doing running the same command. Now vault address is set. Now I'll perform the vault login. You can see here it is asking me to provide the token. Here we have only one token, which is root one. So just I'll copy paste that. Here it is. So we have successfully logged in Vault, and we can able to see that what is the token and what the token accesses, and as well as the duration of the token and what policies had attached to that particular token. So now we'll just by this CLI we'll hit and see what are all the secret engines were present in the vault. So these are the default secret engines which were present in the vault. So we will, I mean, we will learn more about the secret engines in future classes. Just I wanted to make you sure to understand that why we have used Vault, and I mean how we have installed Vault, and as well as how to run in a dev server mode, and how we ran, I mean how we log into this Vault server. So now I will show you the UI, how Vault UI exactly looks like. So just I'm copying this and I'm pasting here and hitting this. Yeah, here it is. We can able to see the Vault UI. So here also it is asking for the token. The token which we have, it is the root token. We are just copying it and pasting over here, and here it goes. So we have, then you can just see here, this is the warning which is giving by the Vault, which is about do not store any root tokens over the Google like password manager. After every refresh or every logout, we have to re-logging by manually giving the Vault secret root token. So it has the capability of the secrets which can be exposed, I mean, which cannot be exposed outside. So that is the main motive. We have to store our root token in different format or with the KMS or different things. If you could observe one thing here, I just deleted one secret engine which is there here like KV. So after performing that operation, you can see here it shows some logs, which is like successfully unmounted some path of the secret namespace with default. So that is what why we were using for the beginners as a dev mode is. So for each and every step, we can see the particular logs where we were going and what operations we were performed. So that's the benefit to use the dev mode for the local testing as well as for beginner friendly. So in the production level, we won't be using this. So we will go on hit the deployment through the uh, high availability mode, which is used for the cluster level. I hope this session finds you good to understand about how we can install the Vault and how we can run in our local server as well as at so as we have discussed, we installed a Vault and configured environment variable and started the Vault server and logged into the UI as well. This is the foundation for all our upcoming hands-on sessions. In the next video, we will understand dev mode deeply and store our first secrets inside the vault. See you then in day 3. Bye bye.